Can you create Roblox UGC items such as clothing, avatars, or world assets only with AI and with zero editing? What if I tell you that's more than possible? And in this video, I'm gonna show you how I created full character, accessories, and whole location only using one tool and never opening Blender at all. How cool is that? Alright guys, let's start creating. We're gonna use Customuse.com, which is by far best AI tool for Roblox. Let's give it a try right away. So I have in my mind to create the Paladin with wings and a halo, and also the location, some sort of like ancient Greek location. I already prepared some references, but if you're not, it's not a problem. Customuse also support text from image, and it does a really good job creating styled assets. Let me show you how to create it with text. So here's my prompt: golden and white wings, stylized, simple, in Roblox style. You can set auto, but for more control you have amazing options such as world assets, accessory, top pants, clothing, or even Roblox classic. I'm gonna go with accessory because I wanted like a rigid accessory on the back. I'm gonna go in settings and choose realistic materials, and you also have plenty style options. Well, let's give it a go. Hit the create button, and here you can see it usually creates 4 images, so you can choose which one works best for you. Let's say I'm happy with this one, and we're gonna press generate. It might take up to a few minutes. You're not blocked. You can go look around on the website or create more simultaneously, which is amazing. And the asset is created. How cool is that? What I also like that when you open the asset, you can press resize and reposition, an amazing tool actually, so you can actually align it with your character right away from here without going to Roblox. And here is another tool, is that when you position it well, you can preview it in different shaders, and when that's done, you can hit the preview in Roblox button, select the category, for example back, since there's like a back accessory, and then after a while it will create a link saying preview design in Roblox app. And this is really cool because if you click it, you'll jump in the Roblox game where you can preview the asset you just created, and you can also reposition it. I think that's amazing. The reason why you can adjust it here is because Roblox itself support adjustments for rigid accessories. Alright, now let's create second asset, which will be the halo. Okay, so I attach the image here. I'm gonna select the accessory again, and pretty much go with the same settings. By the way, you might see the poly count here is pretty low. That's exactly because Roblox allow max 4K trees per accessory, whether that layered or rigid. So this is a big difference from another AIs that not always conclude that limitation, which is very important. Roblox will simply not allow to put it on a marketplace, or it will not pass the validation. Okay, we're gonna hit create button. Okay, so it verified our image, and we can choose to create 3D model right now. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one, press generate, and you can see generation actually started. Alright, here we go. We can open and preview the asset. I think it's fantastic. It's exactly what I wanted. And now let me show what else you can do here. And Customuse also in first place is an editor. You can press use design, and you can go into editor. First of all, you can position the accessory, you can scale it, you can make everything that you need, and you can actually continue build it up. So for example, there's like 3D elements that you can drag and drop like right on the model. And here's the example. I basically added few stars in a minute, changed the color, and here we go. I mean, of course you can do much more of that. I'm gonna show it with next assets. When we are done, we can download it, for example, and which will download the FBX, or we can also preview that in Roblox game, of course. Here we go. But we're gonna need it for game. Now let's move to create a character. For this one, I'm gonna go to world assets, and I'm gonna need to set poly count to 10K. If you don't know, Roblox characters that Roblox allow must fit 10K head and body. So you can just go here and set it to 10K using world assets. I'm gonna go with standard. I'm gonna upload the Paladin that I created, and let's press generate. And to try it by yourself, there will be a link in the description, of course, and on the registration you'll get enough free credits to try it out. There's huge community in Discord as well, and on the website you can see what others creating, and I know that some of the creators actually earn a lot of money publishing these items on the marketplace. If you have a really sick idea, like, you're definitely gonna need to try. And here you can also see I tried myself. I got like one successful item which was sold a lot, this punk denim vest. And to tell you one secret, I'm one of the developers, and together with a team of very talented people, tool will build up these amazing workflows that save you plenty of time. Like for example, you can create clothing that will be rigged and ready for Roblox. You can use it in-game right away. Now back to our creation. Okay, here we have the images. I'm pretty happy with them. And here I already created a character. Looks very good. And again, it is already optimized to be a character in Roblox. Now it's time to build it up in Roblox Studio. I'm in Roblox Studio. I'm going to Avatar Setup, which is this button in Avatar tab. And here you see the Import 3D button. Obviously, we're gonna just import the FBX that we just downloaded from Customuse. Okay, I'm gonna press import and wait a little bit. Here we have our avatar. We're gonna press on it and wait until it's selected in Avatar Setup. So now what we need to do is make sure that development avatar selected and the type set to body. We're ready to press setup and we're gonna need to wait. This process might take up to 3-4 minutes. That's totally fine, and let's wait until it's done, and it's done. All right, so when it's done, you'll see something like this. Okay, so you can actually preview this avatar, you can preview the animations, and they look amazing. Look at this. I'm really happy. All right, how do we play this character? It's actually pretty easy. Select the character in this Explorer menu, and we're gonna need to rename it to Starter Character, right? And then drag and drop it to Starter Player, and hit the play button. That's it. Here we go. I am able actually to run as my character. How cool is that? And that only take me around 10 minutes, including generations time. We're not done yet. Let's continue. Now we're gonna import our wings and halo. I'm gonna go to the Home tab, press import and select my FBX. Okay, I'm gonna do that for wings and I'm gonna do that for halo. Now we'll need accessory fitting tool, which is in avatar, accessory, and you'll see the window like that. To convert any object to accessory, what you're gonna need to do is just select the object itself and scene while this menu open and basically press next. You'll need to select the category such as accessory back category, and you already can see how it looks on the character. You might need to adjust it a little bit for a final character, and when that's done, just hit the generate accessory button. The first one done, and I'm gonna do the same exactly thing for the halo. I'm gonna choose the hat category, make sure that it fits well, so you can see like it fits good on the classic. I'm pretty much happy because my character is classic one. Now your accessories will appear as a hat items in the Explorer, and you just need to drag and drop them to your starter character. Just drag and drop them on it like this. And we can actually hit the play button and test it out. How cool is that? Look at this. Oh yeah, there are some wings that I need to remove from the scene. Okay, I think that's amazing. And we were able to create a totaling like around 15 minutes. I think that's really cool. Now it's time to create environment assets, and that's super easy. We're just gonna select world assets, and here we have less poly count limits. So what I mean that we're gonna create some clouds, rocks, trees, of course, and some ancient ruins. And as I said before, Greek column, I think they add this sort of aesthetics, and you can see all the assets come up as game props, which really saves time on prompting. And then when you're happy with something, you basically press generate on the variant that you like, and later just download it. And now I'm going to drop all the assets in the game and let's combine. So enjoy the time lapse. And I think I'm actually done. I really like this composition. So here's my idea, right? It's like sort of like ancient Greek temple, maybe some sort of ruins, the clouds and stuff, and yeah, basically some Greek aesthetics and a paladin, right? I think looks really cool, and I was able to create that like extremely fast without even opening Blender once. Hit the like and subscribe button and let me know if you like videos about Roblox and if I should make more of them.